How to edit audio in Capcut. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to edit audio in Capcut. In order to do it, so first thing first, go ahead and open up your Capcut application. Next thing, what you want to do is you could find out the you could find out or you could use the existing project or a new one. So in my case, I have a new one, so I'm going to go ahead and add an audio. So to add an audio, you could go to the audio section at the bottom. You could find these tools. Next thing you want to do is go to sound and add the audio to wish. Let's see, I'm going to go with this one. So this is the audio that you can see. So if you want to go ahead and keep it here, just hold on to it and then drag towards the left or towards the right where you want to go ahead and keep it. Now to edit the audio, just go ahead and press that and you could start splitting so that you can erase the part, or you could just go ahead and extend the part that you want to keep it or that you want to remove it. So I'm going to go ahead and erase the first portion, middle portion of this particular audio. So you can see this is how it's going to go. I'm going to keep it right in the position and click the split button. So this will be the starting point. Now I have to go ahead and choose the ending point. So since the video ends right over here, so I'm going to go ahead and erase or select it to this part. So I'm going to go ahead and do this and click the split button. So you can see right in the section there's a gap which indicates that you've successfully split. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete it. So now not only the audio has a split feature, but also you can explore other things such as, you could just go ahead and long press on it and then you could find out, and now press this, you could go ahead and fade out the volume or the audio, or you could just go ahead and use the audio effect in order to make changes with it. Just explore it, you could find it all. So this way you could edit the audio in your Capcut account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.